I guess we received this brass ceiling light for reviewing purposes. I think it's nice because it's a vintage style lamp. This is installation instructions. As you can see, it's a really easy installation. Let's take everything out of the box. It comes very well protected, which is something really nice. Here is a socket. This is a socket holder. It's really nice. It's has a brush finish, which is beautiful. I like it a lot. And here we've got everything you need to install it: screws, connectors, everything, and the proper cables and everything. Okay. Last, we've got a crystal piece. More foam on the inside, which is nice. This is it. It's really nice. As I've said, it has a vintage design, which I quite like. So I'm gonna set it up in here on the office. So let's go. So as you can see, now it's ready. It's really nice. I love the vintage style that it has. As you can see, it was really easy to put it up on the ceiling. Just some quick screws, and that's everything you need. And it's very nice. I love it. I like a lot the design that it has, the brushed down finish. You can set it up, well, whatever you want it, in your dining room, in your bedroom, even in your bathroom. And it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See ya.